Welcome to BI Courses YouTube channel. In the last video, we talked about data storytelling with Power BI. Today, we will learn how to implement basic row-level security in Power BI. Row-level security helps in protecting data by limiting access at the row level. One can create roles and define filters using tags. Nowadays, we also have a user-friendly interface dialog box. It can be created in Power BI Desktop and in any analysis services if any of its kind is included in the architecture. Roles can be tested using View as feature. In this video, we'll focus on static row level security. Let's take a look. Here is our Power BI report. On the Power BI report, here is our Power BI Desktop, and we are currently looking at a report which is for AdventureWorks, which is our AdventureWorks dashboard report. Here is our Power BI desktop, and currently we are looking at a report, AdventureWorks. Under the Modeling tab, we would see something known as Manage Roles and View as Roles in the Security section. How we can create roles is just by clicking Manage Roles. Under Manage Roles, once we click on the new, then we will get all the options available, all the table options available to be used as filters. But before we dive into this one, it is very much necessary to understand that what all filters and on what all tables we want to apply. For example, right now we are willing to create roles for Europe's regional head, North American regional head, and Pacific regional head. So we want to create three roles, but we need to make sure that we create those roles based on table values or table fields which contains this information. For that, let's first go to the modeling tab, or let's go to the data model, the table view. We have something known as sales territory. So over here, we can create the roles based on the group. We have North America group, which contains United States and Canada. Then we have European group, which contains United Kingdom, Germany and France. And finally, the Pacific one, which contains only Australia. So three roles for three different groups. That means we have to create three roles with group as the field name and North America, Europe and Pacific as the values. Let's quickly look at the modeling tab. In the modeling tab, here is our target table, dim sales territory data table. It is directly filtering out my fact sales table, which makes it a perfect candidate to be used for creation of roles. Let's go back to our visualization pane and now we will create roles. First role is for Europe head. And here is our DIMS sales territory data table. We will hit on new. It says country, we'll go for region. We are not sure that which particular field was it. So have a copy of what we want to use. So group should be Europe. We'll go for group and we will say Europe, exact field value name, and we hit on save. We create another one and this time we rename it as Pacific head. Let's make our P capital. Again, it is based on same table. So we will copy the filter from the Europe head, and instead of Europe, we will just say Pacific, the exact field name. We hit on save. Finally, America head. America copy the filter from Europe, and here we say North America group, and we hit on save. Before hitting on save, you can also create multiple. I mean, I can have country equals United States too. This will make sure that under group North America, we are going for country. And even we can have and or condition. So if we click on all, if we select all, then each one of these condition has to be satisfied. If we select any, that means it is a or condition. So if any one of the condition is satisfied, then it will render relevant rows. Anyway, for now, group equals North America is fine. We hit on save. I believe we are using the correct field names. Yeah, group North America, Europe, and Pacific. Good. So now we have three roles. Europe head is Europe, Pacific head is Pacific, America head is North America. Nice. And if we want to see how the DAX is working behind the scene, we can always switch to the DAX editor. So under DAX editor, group is equals to North America, Europe is group equals to Europe, and Pacific is group equals to Pacific. You can, have conditions like this is the or condition. Okay, so you can even do that. But yeah, for now it's fine. We hit on close. Now, if we want to see or view it as a group, like European sales head or a North American sales head or Pacific sales head, if we want to test that out, we can do so by clicking on view as and say America head and click OK. You see, now we see only North American continent selected out, right? Filtered out. Let's say it as Europe head. Only Europe, France, Germany, and United Kingdom is highlighted, right? And if we want to see the Pacific head, so only Australia is selected, nothing else. That means the roles which we have created is working good. Let's get out of it, stop viewing, and now we will publish our report to the Power BI service. Our roles are working good. We have made sure that on the Power BI desktop itself. We'll publish it on the Batch 7 workspace. We'll replace whatever we currently have. It will take some time. Now it is published. We click on got it. And here is our Batch 7 workspace. I'll refresh the Batch 7 workspace. And let's scroll through. This is our report. Let's make sure that it is looking good. It is looking good. Fine. Where the row level security is placed. Row level security exists in the data set, not on the report. It's a model thing, isn't it? So, under the AdventureWorks report security RLS, all we have to do is we have to click on these three triple dots and go to the security section. In the security section, now you see the same three roles which you have created: America head, Europe head, and Pacific head. So to America head, you can assign a distribution list, AD group, or individual email IDs and keep on adding. Same way, Europe and Pacific head. So different email addresses, different distribution lists, and click on add. And then you have to click on save. The moment we do so, once someone with those email IDs logs into their Power BI and they try to select this report, try to view this report, according to their role, the report will be filtered out accordingly. So that's how the row level security works in the Power BI. Now we know how row-level security functions in Power BI Desktop and Service. In the next video, we will look into the Power BI Service. We'll try to understand workspaces and different objects that exist there. Till then, stay tuned. Before you go, please press the subscribe button to stay up to date. See you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.